Welcome to XDuce's Customer Spotlight. Today we're talking to Dave Nichols from Assembly Biosciences. Dave, welcome.
Hi, Jay.
Can you tell us about Assembly Biosciences and what Oracle products are implemented at Assembly?
Yeah, Assembly Biosciences is an early stage biotechnology company. We're currently doing research into hepatitis B to find a cure via an oral treatment. And we also have a microbiome program to treat gut disorders by delivering bacteria to a targeted area of the gut. We're currently using Oracle Finance in the cloud and Oracle Procurement in the cloud.
So Dave, what has XDuce done for Assembly Biosciences?
XDuce are our implementation partner, and they're helping us realize our return on investment in both of those products. They provide all the support and act as the intermediary between Oracle and us. They're the experts in the product.
So Dave, what would you say about the knowledge base of XDuce team?
XDuce have consultants who are extremely experienced in Oracle products. Some of them have got over 20 years using Oracle financial products, but they've been working with the cloud-based systems since they came out, and we're very happy with their knowledge on these cloud-based products.
So Dave, what are the top 5 words that come to your mind when you talk about XDuce as a partner?
Well, first one is technical expertise. They're very, very knowledgeable on products. Second one is communication. We like how we are able to clearly communicate with each other. They are very responsive, very trustworthy and honest. A great partner.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
We like the partnership between the two companies.
Awesome. So would you recommend XDuce as a partner for Oracle services to other companies?
Yeah, absolutely. We're very happy with working with XDuce. Love the work we've been doing together. The communication's excellent, technical expertise, and the staff are very personable as well. We get on really well with them, and at a reasonable cost.
Thank you, Dave. Thank you. So that was Dave Nichols from Assembly Biosciences. Thank you for joining us. So at XDuce, we're very focused on our customer success, and we're committed for the client's success. So for more information, please come and visit us at xduce.com. Thank you.